Hi, my name is Jin. Today I want to introduce Hengchun, which is located in Hengchun City, and it is on the south of Taiwan. This is Hengchun, and this is Hengchun. Then I want to introduce the climate of Hengchun. Don't you curious about why the name of Hengchun is Hengchun? Because the name and the Hengchun in Chinese means spring, and also Hengchun feels like it is in the spring in whole year. You see, this temperature is in Hengchun City, and this is Hengchun. In summer, the highest temperature is 32.9, and in Hengchun it is 31.9. Also, the coldest temperature in Hsinchu is 12.9, and in Hengchun is 18.1. Don't you think it is interesting? Then I want to introduce the attraction in Hengchun. Let's first start with the Hengchun National Park. This national park that established in 1982. You can see the beautiful stars there. But don't you curious about why I mentioned about star? Because if you are in the city, you cannot see those stars because the light in the city there will have many lights and the star will disappear. But if you are in the wild, you can see the star. And this Hengchun National Park are far from the city. That's why you can see the star there. Also, there have many cute animals like the deer. But do you know why we can see so much deer in Hengchun National Park? Because before the deer was very rare, and Taiwan's government put some of the deer in Hengchun National Park and let it grow by itself. Now it has many deer in Hengchun National Park. That's why you can see so much deer there. Then I want to introduce the attraction 2, which is Olympi Lighthouse. This Olympi Lighthouse is first built in 1883, and the Olympi Lighthouse now we see is not the first that built in 1883, because it had been destroyed for many times and rebuild it. Also, the lighthouse, and it is the lighthouse that light up farthest in Taiwan. But don't you think why we need the lighthouse in Hengchun? Because in Hengchun, because in Hengchun there have many ones works for the fishermen, and all of them will go out of the sea. So the lighthouse can light up and they can see where the land. Also, it is 56.4 meter high, and that's also help is to light up farthest. Then let's talk about the things to eat in Hengchun. First, I want to talk about the seafood. But do you know why there have many seafoods there? First reason is that it is near the sea, so you can catch many of them. Also, it is close to the intersection of cold and warm currents. That cause the fishermen go there and can catch many kind of sea creatures. You see, these shrimp are different kind of shrimp. Don't you think it is interesting? And also the climate there are stability. Because I said before, the Hengchun sounds all of the year sounds like spring. That's why the climate there is stability. Also, it can develop tourist features because some of the tourists want to try to fish the sea creature out of the sea. That's why it can develop the tourist features. Then let's talk about other things to eat in Hengchun. I want to talk about the Hengchun mung bean cuisine. It is usually being eaten in summer because it is cold and sometimes will filled with ice cube. And also it use mung bean for the main ingredients and usually paired with sugar water and silver needle noodle. But don't you curious about what is silver needle noodle? This one is silver needle noodle. It looks like the noodle, but it is not noodle. The noodle will usually paired with the sauce soup, and the silver needle noodle will pair with the sugar water. Then let's talk about the things to play in Hengchun. I want to talk about the kite festival. I think all of you know Hengchun also have the kite festival, but you can also see in Pingdong. It usually held for 2 days, and it is held at Galloping Riverside Park. This park is near the sea, and the winds are bigger than others. So that can let the kite fly high, and you can see every kind of kite that you can imagine, like the octopus one, the shark one, and many kind of sea creatures. It is all for today. I wish to see you next time. Bye.